When you use Blender on your computer, generally the font size of this toolbar is very small and is very difficult to see sometimes. I don't like this type of small font of this toolbar, so I'm going to increase the size of this toolbar, this font. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to open Blender. I already opened the Blender, and then from here we'll see a file is there. We just need to click here, then it will bring this type of menu. But our target is not like that. Our target is to increase the font size. So we have to click edit, and then there is a preferences. We just need to click here to open the preferences. Now here we have to come to the top one, interface, and there is a display right side. Once we click interface, the display will be there. Now here you see resolution scale, which is 1.00. I need to increase this size so that this text will be increased. I mean this toolbar text will be increased. So what I am going to do, I'm going to click here and see here it is increasing, right? So for my case, I like 1.5, which is good for me. Then we have to hit enter key, and you'll see everything has changed. Now the font size or toolbar size, everything is increased. Now we can close this window because we don't need it anymore. And that's it. In this way we can easily change the toolbar font size in Blender.